If we were to click on Vector 3, we would be taken to the documentation page for Vector 3. The same is true for force mode, mono behavior, and rigid body.
I had mono ones.
Below the description are snippets that show us how this function could be used. Note the second signature for add force below the first. The descriptions are the same, but in this case we can use add force with either a vector 3 or 3 float values for x, y, and z. The next concept that we need to cover is how to get a hold of, or how to reference, different components on our game objects. We are writing a script called player controller,
Right.
which is attached as a script component to our player game object.
Right.
From this script, we need to add force using the rigid body component.
Yes.
We want to access that component from this script.
Yeah.
There are several ways that we can do this, but in our case, we will cover only one of the main ways of accessing another component on the same game object. We will create a variable to hold this reference in our script, and we will set this reference in the start function.
Okay.
We see this here in the code snippet. Public rigid body RB creates a public variable with the type of rigid body called RB to hold the reference to the rigid body we want to access. In start, the reference is set by using the code getComponentRigidBody. This will find in return a reference to the attached rigid body if there is one. All of the code in the start function is called on the first frame that the script is active. This is often the very first frame of the game.
Okay.
Finally, in fixed update, the attached rigid body component is accessed through the variable named
You know what,
RB.
Outstar? Fuck it. You and Psycho Billy come and teach me this shit then if you're so fucking picky about my goddamn space bar using. God damn it.
With rb.addForce. So, in our script, we need to write private rigid body RB to create the variable to hold the reference. And in a new start function...
Oh, fuck a duck. Alright. 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 Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Alright. 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 Chill. Chill. Okay. 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 Private rigid body RB void start. Okay.
We need to write RB equals getComponent rigid body.
Okay. So I'm doing this so it can... Alright, so the reason I'm doing this is so this right here knows what it is actually trying to get the horizontal and vertical axis from, right? So it's trying to get it from the actual rigid body, which is connected to the player, right? That's what that means? Am I getting that right? I hope. Component rigid body. What? What was it? Why did space? Oh gosh. Turn taco. Naomi, because you have no tip jar. Oh god, you did another fucking tier 3? What the fuck, Naomi? What? You don't need to do that! Why did you do a second tier 3 sub? What the fuck? What are you doing? What? God damn it. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Thank you, Naomi. It's very nice of you.
In fixed update, let's use the simplest version of rigid body add force, one that simply uses a vector 3, and we will leave the force mode at default by omitting it from our code. So in our script, we need to type rb.addForce and then some vector3 value.
Okay.
Tell me about it.
Vectory.
Now, how do we get our two float values into a vector3 value? Let's create a new vector3 variable called movement. This will be equal to a new vector3 that is made up of an x, a y, and a z.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Orwell Hawkins, by the way. Also, Psycho Billy. Cool. Hey, Psycho Billy. Do you think you could teach me better than this guy? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, mister, I'm so glad that Cry was so enamored with the video game titty fight that he decided to learn coding to recreate it. I know, right? Ain't that how life works? Ain't that a bitch? The race park. Thanks.
The x, y, z values will determine the direction of the force we will add to our ball. What?
Okay. 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 All right. I keep putting vectory. Stop. What?
// leave comments like this in Mono Develop so you can read what your code does or why you use certain lines of code. Remember to start with //.
This is for all the hoes out there. Hey, girls. Give me your number. Thank you.
What is our x value? That would be move horizontal. With this, our left and right keys will add force, moving the ball to the left or right. What is our y? 0. We don't want to move up at all. What is our z value? That would be move vertical.
Oh, that's pretty fancy. Okay, I get that. Wait, does he type this or does he do something weird with it? Oh, he copy and pasted it. Gotcha. Naomi, why do you do it again, Naomi? What the fuck? Naomi, what the fuck? The woman's out of control. We gotta put her in a sack. Tie her up. Let her rest. Goddamn. Thanks, Naomi, but you should chill.
Now we use movement, a vector3 value, in RB add force.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna fuck this up if I ever try to recreate something like this in the future, but that's pretty cool. I like that.
As RB add force, movement. Let's save this script and return.
I have a question. So, realistically speaking, if I wanted to ever recreate this situation again, but movement was already taken, and if I wanted to do for some reason do it again, would I be able to use any word right here for vector3 movement equals? Could I just use something like, I don't know, movement 2 or butts? I don't know, just a random fucking word. It doesn't have to be movement. It's just a reference word, right? Okay, so, oh, nice. Missing move vertical. Oh, fuck, you're right. I am actually. Thank you. Cool. All right, so it's just a reference variable name. Okay, gotcha.
Turn to Unity. We check for errors in our footer or the console.
Add comment to remember. You're right. I need to add a comment. Hey, dingus. The movement thing is a reference word. Just so you know.
And there are none. Good. Let's test what we've written. Hit play And by using the keys set up in the input manager, the ball...
Wait a second. Did Naomi just do it again? Naomi, that was $100 of subbing you just did for some reason. I just want you to know that. A clean 100. What the fuck? TeamSpeak? What am I getting on TeamSpeak for? Is somebody on TeamSpeak? Hang on a second. I'm on TeamSpeak. What am I on TeamSpeak for? No one's here. Thank you again, Naomi, even if you're being very silly. Oh, Outstar. Oh.
Hey, boo.
Hey, what's up?
Hello.
Are you saying you're a better teacher than this man that
Oh,
was
fuck, I can't
hired
hear
to
you.
make this
Shit, wait a
tutorial?
second.
What? She said something. Not sure what yet.
Okay, I can hear you now.
Hi.
Yeah, something worked. So, Psycho, she doesn't have your TeamSpeak, and she was asking if I can give it to her.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, it's very late, so I'm not going to help you. I'm going to sleep, so I'm just going to leave you with her, okay?
So are you saying this tutorial is not necessary?
I mean, well, if you don't feel bad about using someone else's code and just editing it, like I always did, then yeah. If you want to be like a true professional, then you can learn to code from the scratch. But no, that's bothersome.
So don't do what he's doing?
I mean, if you really want to, but it will take you a long time to do anything.
I want to be the most professional video game developer. I want to make Witcher 3 in 2 weeks.
Okay, all right. You want to be super professional, right?
Yes.
Then go to eBay right now and buy a book about C and
I'm not
read
gonna
it
read
and
it.
learn it.
I'm not gonna read it. We all know
Okay.
that it's not gonna work.
All right, then maybe you should probably install Construct 2 or something and make a game in one evening.
Okay, that sounds dumb. All right. So, how about no. I was gonna make a game
Okay.
where I roll around and catch things with this ball. That looked like
Alright.
it was what this tutorial's all about. It's called Roll a Ball Game.
What about you just go to the Unity editor and you meddle in setting up a scene there, so all the visual stuff, and then you go on the internet and you search for the script to move the ball. And it's done.
You just search for a script to move the ball,
Yeah.
but
Like I mean, you can write it from the scratch, but I'm not sure which part of the tutorial you have to get to actually, you know,
is that
see that.
illegal?
It
I
is
feel like that's
absolutely legal. Yes, it is absolutely legal.
I feel like that's cheating.
It's not cheating.
Are you telling me to cheat? Like, I'm not, all right. Be honest with me. So right now, am I that like bright-eyed student going into college, wanting to make video games with all the cool people and stuff, being really excited, being very passionate about it, and I'm doing it by the book, doing it how I should, and then you're that roughneck motherfucker who's like been here for 3 years, who's trying to be like, hey man, it's fuck this, dude. I got like fucking cheat sheets and shit, bro. Fuck that. Let's go drink booze. Are you that
honey,
right now?
I just care, okay? And I'm very afraid that if you're going to approach it the way you do right now, you're going to get super discouraged tomorrow when suddenly you'll see that there's like, oh my god, it goes deeper. This code is so hard. I don't know what's going on. And you'll be like, I will never do it again. And yeah, you can just go an easier way at first. You can just start easy, I think. That's just my point.
So, you're saying I should fiddle before I put my feet in the deep end?
Yes, I think what you should really do is you should try to do something that you have a little bit more understanding of at first. So that will be, for example, making a scene, like, something visual that you can just move in within the editor without any coding. And then, for example, get like a code for moving a ball from the internet and try to, you know, read it, see what's inside, see what does what, maybe delete part of the code, see what happens. That's the deal with it. It's fun, actually, if you do it like that, and you can learn something this way. Because I have a feeling that you are just copying what this guy does, and you won't really learn much this way.
I was learning what he was doing.
Okay. Did you get everything that was there?
I got a decent understanding. I even asked chat if that's what was the case, and they were like, yes. I'm like, oh, cool.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Yeah. I was learning.
I know. I mean, if you enjoy what you're doing, then I'm not going to stop you. I think you're in a good way.
All right. I get what you mean, though. I think that is another way to do it.
I mean, that was how I started. I was meddling with the code that I got.
So fuck around first, and then shove my face in books.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha. All right.
Okay.
I think that's reasonable.
All right. I'm going to go to sleep now with this little lesson.
Okay. Thank you
And
very much.
I gave the stuff to Psychobilly, so she may visit you one day in here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you very much. Have a lovely sleep. Goodbye.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. All right. All right. She makes a point. I do know what she means. So here's the thing. That is another method of learning, which I had not thought about, with just fucking around with shit. So, let's see. Right here, we have the rough and tough grind, right? Should we continue this tutorial at least? Because we're at 2 of 8 videos, right? Should we finish this tutorial first? I think we should finish the tutorial first. I think we will. I'm gonna grab a drink really quick, and then we're gonna at least finish this tutorial, and then we can give her method a shot. All right? Because I know what she means. Fucking around with shit that helps. Fucking around's great. That's why people do it all the time in college. So, what I'll do, finish this tutorial, then we'll see about fucking around. Why not? Yeah. All right. So, where were we? My astute tutorial friend?
We check for errors in our footer or the console, and there are none.
I'm sorry,
that would
go
be
back.
move vertical.
Uh-huh.
Now we use movement, a vector 3 value,
And he
in
puts it there?
RB add force as RB add force movement.
This is C#.
Let's save this script and return to Unity. We check for errors in our footer or the
Gorgeous beard, by the way.
console, and there are none. Good. Let's test what we've written. Hit play, and by using the keys set up in the input manager, the ball moves in the scene.
We were at this point and we didn't fucking do anything? Uh-oh. We did something wrong. Uh-oh. Alright, what did we do wrong? He said using setup on the input manager. I don't think we've done anything on the input manager yet. I feel like we still need to do that. You forgot semicolons? Did I? I don't think I did. I see them there. Click the Y? The Y. All right, what's the Y? Where would that be? I didn't save. Oh, I didn't save? Would it work now? All compilers have to be fixed before you enter play mode. No! What did we do wrong? Uh-oh. Okay. What did we do wrong, gang? We did something wrong. This line ending... Wait, is this bad? Line 21. Y equals 0.0f.
For this.
Does he say that? Did I miss that? Hold on a second, I'm curious. Oh, it does. I never... Okay, thank you. I did not notice that. Okay. Okay, now I think we're good. Also, Auroriel, thank you. All right. Let's see if this works. Nothing. Okay. All right. Your move horizontal and move vertical are variables. They're meant to be and they're never meant to represent inputs. Shit. I did save. I saved. I control est. I think maybe saving the game itself then? And now playing? No. This is why I would never code on stream. No. I'm more than okay with people correcting my issues. Wait, it's moving though. It's working! It's working! We did it! Oh fuck, I'm moving the camera. Oh shit. Oh god. Wait, it's gone! It's alive! Oh shit. Oh fuck. How do we... Uh-oh. How do we get the camera back? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. So, something I've noticed is I feel like I'm looking at it like totally backwards. Hang on 1 second. Let me make sure. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the play zone that I need to be looking at. I was looking at it up here. Wow, look at that ball go, guys. We made a game. Oh, it's going pretty far. Nice. Publish it and put it on Steam. Oh, shit. It's sad that this is more quality than some shit I've seen on Steam. Oh, fuck. Alright. We got it working, guys. Nice.
We use movement, a vector 3 value. If we ever need the editor, we can see our player controller script now has a speed property. Let's set this property to 100.
100? Oh, man.
Now, enter play mode. Whoa, wait.
Whoa, I want to do that. Oh, is that how we make the wacky games? Is crank everything to 100 and then we sell it for YouTubers to play? That sounds awesome. Actually, wait, how did they do that? It was under here, right? It was on the script. I must not have been paying much attention. I'm sorry. Go back.
Property. Let's set this prop. Let's save these changes and return to Unity.
Wait. Oh, he did a whole nother thing. Oh wow, I was not paying attention. He did a whole nother script thing. Oh shit.
Let's return to our code and create a tool that'll give us control over the speed of the ball. We need to multiply our movement by some value. We could simply enter that value here in our script, but if we ever needed to make any tweaks or changes, we would have to return to our scripting editor and change the value in the script and then recompile.
And that's horrible.
This takes time. The solution is to create a public variable in our script. Let's create a public float called speed. By creating a public variable in our script, this variable will show up in the inspector as an editable property.
It was down here.
When we use a public variable, we can make all of our changes in the editor.
It's going to be like this?
We then multiply movement by
Times.
speed.
Okay.
We now have control over our movement value from inside the editor. Let's save these changes and return to Unity. When we return to the editor, we can see our player controller script now has a speed property.
Does it? Huh? I don't see it. Did I save? I did. I'm pressing Control S. There it is. Nice. 100. Play. Oh! It launched. It takes a while for it to actually launch, though. It's very strange. Is it because... Oops, I'm sorry. Is it getting friction from the mat? Oh my. Nope. That's very strange. Alright, interesting. Gotcha. Tell me more.
Let's set this property to 100. Now, enter play mode. Whoa, way too fast. But changes are fast too. Exit play mode and change the value to 10. Hit play. That's a little better.
Is it better, though? Is it really? I have a crying baby in my right ear. Can we really say anything's better? Alright, that's a lot better, actually. Look at that! We did it, gang! We made a super speedy ball! Nice. Alright, cool. Really quick, I need to set this back to 0.5. Yes! We're learning!
Congratulations!
Thank you.
We can now move our character. In the next assignment, we'll talk about how to move the camera.
Okay. I'll learn how to move the camera next. Oh, it even shows the code down here that he used. Oh, that's helpful AF. Nice. So it... Okay, cool. Cool.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Call me Alice. Thank you, man. 5-minute one this time.
The camera doesn't move, and from its current position, cannot see very much. We need to
We're
tie
not copying and pasting. Fuck you guys.
the camera to the player game object. First, let's set the position of the
Yeah,
camera.
finish the tutorial. I think your problem right now is that it's going to be difficult for you to remember all of what you're doing because you don't know exactly what you're doing. You're just doing what the guy in the video does. Ask her to explain ask her to explain you what to do the thing that you're running mean. Okay, so it wasn't just me that was okay. This is why this way you'll remember and understand the coding itself. Gotcha.
Camera. Let's lift it
Whoa,
up by
how did he get that camera preview? Excuse me?
We need to tie the camera to the player game object. First, let's set the position of the camera. Let's lift it up by 10 units and tilt it down by about 45 degrees.
Main camera.
Next, let's make
Ah. This was 10, right? Yes.
the camera a child of the player game object.
What? Is it gonna move the camera now? Oh god. no.